hi to my vlog. Hello from Bali.
I feel something in my body. Ikaw? Charot.
Kamusta ang mga gay? No, listen to me. Listen to me.
Day 2 in Bali. Today we're going to explore Ubud and going water rafting.
Dapat talaga may live cam tayo eh. Next time mag-hire na tayo ng videographer. Para hindi tayo na-hassle.
Ito Bio, ito na. Nasa likod mo.
Yan.
Drop mo na yung mga sasabihin mong
Kaya
masasakit.
naman siguro ng budget natin, diba?
Oh.
Sabi or kayang sagutin ni Daro.
May potential kayo based dito sa camera na nakakita.
Potential ng antak. Potential masapak.
Oh. Masapak daw po.
Parang gusto yung masapakan talaga niyo.
Oo nga, parang kagabi pa to, be.
Ikaw? Charot.
Kagabi pa yan.
Favorite namin yun.
First stop, Parang and Chris Dance. Field trip muna tayo.
Dun sa kabilang side. Ayaw nyo malapit.
Parang hindi ito yung mga tech group eh.
O, dito i-search mo na yung next.
So para siyang classroom type, hindi rin namin alam what to
Doon
expect.
tayo sa unan.
And swerte na kami na yung last, so mag-start na siya agad.
Parang hindi bet ni Ryan. Naiinis. Ang mga gay, focus.
Philippine, beautiful. Are you ready? 1, 2, yes. Up. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you po.
Kayo next.
Coffee plantation natin. Meron din. Hindi ko alam kung ngayon yung next, pero may ganun din tayo.
Sawali.
Ay, babe, dito na lang muna ako, babe. Magpapaiwan ako dito. Charel, papaiwan muna ako dito.
Di mo kaya mag-hi, be.
Kaya niya, babe. Wag mong ano eh.
Sige,
Kaya niya yan talaga.
Ay, wag. Si Muji nandyan.
Kaya.
Ayoko na ha.
Wag yung ano, inaano yan, babe.
Be, ayun, be. Job, ayun, Job po. Yun nasa kanan.
Doon tayo?
Diyan.
Remember na ako ng isang kaibigan. Over.
Be, ganap na ganap talaga si ano, Ryan, no?
Doon siya.
Go!
This is ano, temple.
Bawal maingay ata dito, be.
Bawal.
Hi.
Sige, may...
Couple picture.
Parang hindi ko na kaya. Okay na ako dun.
So the white one here we just grow for decoration.
Decor.
The bigger tray, the yellow pot is it's a cacao.
Oh,
We
Saan
make like
yellow?
hot chocolate, mochaccino, and dark chocolate.
Saan yung yellow? Yellow leaf?
The yellow pot in the top, the bigger tray.
Okay.
And then this is the plan of vanilla.
Vanilla.
Flavor in the coffee, yes. But this is still young because vanilla you must grow a long time, like 3 years, so they can come out the pot. That's why the price of vanilla is a bit expensive. So we make flavor in the coffee. Vanilla very good for mood booster, like relaxing. Be careful, my friend. And then we have ginger. For mixing the coffee and we mix tea. So you can try both here, like ginger tea and ginger coffee.
Hi, me.
The second skin and coffee they cannot digest, so they just swallow the fermentation. That's why that's the put it up. We need to clean it. We washing by hot water around 1 week. Become very clean like this after we clean. And then after we clean, we need to remove the skin. We take the coffee bean inside. This is the second skin. And this is the last one. So this is the coffee.
Okay.
So that's where the food, they don't contact with the bean, they just fermentation. Because of fermentation, the animal, they can change the flavor. And then they can make the coffee low caffeine and less acidity. And then we grow a little bit spices here, but we just use for cooking.
Yeah, ginger.
Black pepper, white pepper.
Be, gusto ko hindi ka nagpapatalo. May MX3 ka.
And then let's everything as planned to you here, you can find that. So we can have chilies, very nice. You can see rice.
Magets kanina, di ba sabi niya kasi, galing sa digestion ng hayop. Pero pinipil nila. 2 pills pa. So pagka-pill mo nung pill, may another skin pa. So paano na-absorb yun? Kung may 2 skin pa yung sa pill. Diba?
Hindi kasi parang naman mo, di ba? May acid.
Na-absorb. So, pwede naman. Oh yeah, okay.
Ang bilis
Ang bilis. Sabihin mo.
After the tour, we had 16 coffees or tea. So, sobrang dami. Tingnan nyo na lang kung ano mangyayari.
Tea? You want tea? Tea? Ako ginger, turmeric. Turmeric? Turmeric, sorry. Sorry.
Kakagawa lang kasi na.
Kakagawa lang ng ibig ko.
So, in-explain na ni Kuya lahat and iniwan niya na kami para matikman namin ng kami lang.
Enjoy your coffee and tea. I'm making coffee for your driver first and come back again.
Thank you.
What do you want, guys? Do you want to taste randomly?
Try first one coffee.
Or let's try gag.
Coffee with barley coffee before you put.
Okay, we try this first then, okay. Be, sabi niya.
Shot puno.
Mainit. Sige, shot mo.
Shot.
Dapat pikit dapat pikit. Tama pikit ko.
Dapat may game.
Baw na ako kayo, mingan mo. Nagre-relax yung mga tao dito, oh.
Dapat may game
King's Cup tayo, ang atak. King's Cup.
Gagi yung
Tapos huhulaan kung ano yung
1,
nakuha.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Ah, sige.
Ang tagal nung bibak, 2 hours tayo dito.
Baka dito pa tayo magsimula mag-away-away.
Hindi, tikim-tikim lang kasi para lahat matikman natin. Gusto niyo sunod-sunod na tayo?
Sabi niya, itry daw muna tong luwak, tapos i-compare sa Bali
Okay,
Coffee.
obe, ito muna. Hati na lang tayo, ha?
Ito daw,
Hindi ako nagkakape.
hindi, try mo lang, isang ganito lang,
Isang
oh.
sip lang.
For the experience lang, be, ano.
Kahit sa mga isip, kahit sa baso.
Be, ang dami niyang titikmang ko.
Be, for isang ganito lang, be, hindi ko man sinabi i-shot mo, be.
Para dire-diretso yung tayo.
Ikaw, tatanggalin ko isang flower mo.
Oh, sige, tikman ko muna.
Boom, panis.
Okay naman.
Like, hindi naman regular coffee lang. Parang
Hindi, strong din siya. Like,
Hindi talaga ako may strong coffee. Totoo.
tipong manana pa. Pero hindi super, like.
Honest coffee.
Gusto mo ba so?
Oh,
Parang Nescafe din
bebe.
sa akin.
Be, open your mouth.
Gusto ko may something na malalasahan.
Baka mas ma-enjoy natin to eh.
Okay guys, so sayang
Okay, be,
to.
ikaw na mag-explain,
Ikaw na
be.
mag-explain.
Because we
Okay,
forgot,
so
eh.
first we will
Try the Valley Coffee.
A will
Hey, Will?
B
We will.
shall C will be
Be shunt.
B shan't. So what will be the answer?
Shante, you stay.
What will be the answer?
Letter C.
C shall. So first we will shall taste the Valley Coffee.
Okay.
Uy, I like your choice, ha? I like your style.
I like your style.
Shot, shot, shot,
Gago.
shot.
Sira ulo ko po. Ano lang as a...
Discreet. Eh, discreet? Hindi ko
Natatawa ko.
Parang pag sa'yo lang nga, natatawa ko ngayon, be.
Be, kailangan ko gampanan yung 500 pesos mo eh.
Kitikulas ka.
Babasagin ko to.
Sige.
Sumama yung loob niya.
Dinadura ko to.
Ano ka, laway conscious ka?
Okay, ito na yung tasting Reaction.
Be, ikaw, be. Tignan mo.
Picture mo magkano ako. Reaction video.
Go. So now, we will taste the Ada, B dose, C this, or D
Doesn't.
does not.
Okay, I
Regine
choose
Velasquez.
C.
C
C, what's C?
does.
Does.
So Angge will
Will does. Okay, I will taste
Taste
this.
this. Yes. Perfect. You got a good grammaring.
Yes, yes.
The grammar is grammary.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, next one.
Okay, okay for job.
So Job, I thought you have you A have, C you has, C having, or D Regine. So what's your answer?
Letter B. B. Does.
Das?
Yeah.
Das ba?
Ay, copycat.
Having. So
Sorry.
B is having. So Job, I thought you're having
Copy.
diarrhea.
Yeah. Like, the sister of diarrhea. The sister of diarrhea is Erna.
Oh, perfect.
So it's
That's
probably
funny.
it's probably luwak coffee.
Yeah. Job's favorite word is probably.
Probably.
Not possibly.
Not
Not responsibly.
but probably.
Yes. What's your question? Do you have a multiple choice for me?
A.
Walang sentence mo ba? May mag-first word ka muna, tapos yung yung
Okay.
adjective ba yun?
So
Or
for
ano?
our second coffee, we have the coconut coffee. So how spell?
Bubo ka!
Alam nauntog siya.
Where is the coconut originated? A. Root. B. Tree. C. Philippines.
D. Regine.
I think it's none of the above because the coconut is made from the giant nut.
The coconut nut is a giant nut.
If you eat too much, you get very... Be, linaro nyo naman to, be.
Sorry, abe. Bilisan na natin. Let's make it.
Okay, shot, bottoms up.
Pero hindi pa siya nakaano ni multiple choice. Mamaya ka sa akin.
What's your multiple choice?
Ang masarap. It's better. I like it. Coconut with coffee. It's a coconut.
Unsweetened.
Yeah, because if you home, you can put ice, like ice coffee or ice.
Masarap, be.
Masarap.
Magustuhan mo, be. Parang coconut.
What's the next?
Vanilla.
Ay, ang sarap nito.
Vanilla.
Ano para siya? Parang ano?
Parang it's giving coconut.
Yung yung Malibu. Malibu na.
Vanilla.
Vanilla. So, can you...
Wait lang, I'll put...
Can you... get. B, getting. C, grab. So, what's your answer?
D, Lala move.
So, what's your answer? D. Also, can you... Can you grab?
Get.
Wow, sarap. Parang milk tea.
Masarap sa akin yung coconut.
It's like the regular vanilla coffee.
How's the ginseng me? Is it making you straight?
No. It's totally no. But I feel something in my body. It's getting warm. Warmer and warmer. I'm like getting to avatar state.
Activated.
Pero masarap siya. Ginseng with coffee.
Atake, oh.
Yeah. Because it's a smoke eh. That's why it's very good.
You're very good in English now, huh?
Yeah.
Like,
Kasi back when in Manila, my
Wow.
English is like
A.
A. A, struggling.
B.
Struggled. C, struggled.
Struggle.
So maybe the answer is struggling. Pag nag-post ka, bigla may molded egg.
Masarap yan.
Ano siya, bali mochaccino.
Bali mochaccino. Bali ano to?
Bali mochaccino.
Bali mochaccino.
How's
When it
the
comes to ice also is very
Parang Milo.
how's the choco?
And here we sell many size. So like I tell you before, very good for masala.
Nakukuha. Okay. Ano, does it taste like Milo? No.
Yes, I feel like an athlete.
Laro. Putang.
The best seller that's
Ang
here.
A. Do you? B. Will you?
I will put
Do
honey.
you have durian?
Honey.
Oh, okay. Honey. Honey is good then. Honey. So sweet. I think I'll buy this one as well.
I'll buy
So
it.
next,
Well,
ay, sorry. So next will be
Ginger tea.
ginger tea. Sino na sa ginger tea? Ikaw
Ako na,
na.
ako na.
Ikaw na, di ba? Ikaw na. Ginger tea, di.
Sige, guys. Tawak, be.
Ginger tea. Yun
Bawal
sa
maputol ang
KFC,
ano
di ba?
natin.
Ginger licking picking good.
Wait lang. Parang hindi siya sobrang
KFC.
strong.
Ginger licking.
Nalalaglag. Bungi ka ba, May?
Sorry, bago yung binurse ko.
Ay, gago.
Be, dapat walang gap.
Sige nga, tingnan nga natin. Ngiti ka nga.
Gago.
Thank you for
Ba
the
yung hindi na
ginger
natutuwa si
tea.
Kuya? Di ba sa office may ginger ano doon, ginger powder?
Yes, I agree.
I always drink it. So I used to drink ginger A ginger ale, B ginger tea, charas.
Ayoko na.
Lagi may multiple choice.
Tapos ka na ba sa ginger?
Ako na yun eh.
My love, so lutong tobe oh. Hindi ko sanyay.
Hindi siya
Medic.
Yum, yum, yum.
Photo na.
May hindi naman Huwag lang makita yung drop na malalim.
Siyempre meron yan. Ano na ako? Don't hit the rock daw ah.
Basta stable ka. Ay, okay.
Round trip pa kuya, pero kulang pa ba to?
Be careful.
Be careful with my heart!
Inaanod na ako. Ikaw? Ang hihigil ako sa'yo. Tumayo ka muna! Ang tawa. Tapos sabay tayo higa. Okay, okay, okay. Himulon! Okay, sorry. Iko! Okay na ako, bitawan mo na ako! Bitawan mo na ako! Bitaw na putang pinawa! Sabi mo,
I feel exhausted. I want to thank my family for bringing me to this world. Kamusta ang mga gay? But our state right now. Ito ba yun? Yes!
Get